Going online can be a really fun and exciting experience. You can use lots of different devices to go online. You can use a smartphone, a laptop, or even a tablet to go online. Some of the fun and exciting things you can do online are chatting with your friends, playing games, watching funny videos of cats, and looking for information about your favorite sports team. Going online can be lots of fun, but going online is a little bit like crossing the street. When you look both ways and cross the street carefully, you'll do just fine. However, if you cross the street and you don't look left and right before you try to go to the other side, it can be a little bit dangerous. Going online is quite similar. If you do things carefully and follow some simple steps to be safe, you will have a positive experience. But if you don't follow these steps, your experience could be a negative one. So today, I'm going to give you some tips about how to have an easier and safer experience when you go online. Think about your favorite website. It's a place that you always go because you like the content or the website is just a lot of fun. It's really nice to start using the internet and always use the same page first. You can do this on a computer and on any other device by setting the first page that you always visit as your home page. A home page is like a safe space. It's the place you will always go first when you access the internet. In order to set a home page, you need to use an internet browser. A browser is the application that you use to visit different websites on the internet. A good example of a browser is Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. Next, you should always check your email once per day. If you forget to check your email, you're going to find in a few days that your inbox is full of emails. The inbox is the place where new emails appear. If you don't want your inbox to explode with emails, you should only keep important emails in your inbox. When you decide that an email is not important anymore, you can drag it to the trash and delete it. Remember, if you want to delete something from your email, it will disappear like magic, and you will never see it again. So make sure that you delete emails that you know you never want to see again. It's very annoying when you find a website with really cool tips and advice about how to beat your favorite game and you don't remember the address of the website. Well, there's a solution to that. You use something called a bookmark to save your favorite web pages. How you save this bookmark depends on the internet browser that you use, because when you have a bookmark, you click on it and it automatically takes you to the website that you saved. As I said before, the internet is like crossing the street. It can be safe or not so safe depending on your behavior. For me, something that is the most important thing on the internet is privacy. It's absolutely necessary to protect your personal information and photos from people who are not part of your family, class, or group of friends. One of the most important ways of protecting your privacy on the internet is choosing a very secure password for your email and social media profiles. Don't choose something that's easy to remember, like your birthday or your dog's birthday. A good password contains a random combination of letters and numbers that are more difficult for other people to guess. When you want to change your password or you want to change what kind of information other people can see, you need to access the settings. The settings are very useful because the settings determine the privacy of your different accounts. And it can also help you to organize other things, like your bookmarks. Don't you hate it when you wrote a really amazing story for English class? You forgot to save it, and then your computer or tablet broke, and you had to write the story again. Well, there's a good solution so that does not happen in the future. You can use a cloud. A cloud is a safe space on the internet where you can save important files. In order to use a cloud, send the files to the cloud. When you send files to the cloud, you upload the files. Imagine that the files are really going up into the clouds of the sky. So they are going up, so you upload the files. Now imagine that you have a new laptop, a new smartphone, or a new tablet, and you want to get those old files again. Imagine that you have to bring those files down from the cloud. So, when you want to bring files from the cloud and to your device, you have to download the files. You also download a file whenever you take it from a website and save it on your computer or another device. When your friend sends you a link to a really cool website or video, your first instinct is probably to copy or make a duplicate of the link and then paste the link into your web browser so you can see the link or video. But you have to be very careful. Your friend might have good intentions, but not everybody with a website has good intentions. So, sometimes a website will ask you for personal information, or it will ask you to enter the website or log in using personal information. And if you have to log in using a special system with that information, maybe that website is not a safe website and you shouldn't access it. If you're not sure if a website is safe or not, before you log in, you should ask an adult and they will be happy to tell you if it's safe or not. Now that you've learned all about technology vocabulary, you're going to do a few exercises in your book. You're going to read a text about technology, and then you're going to do 2 different vocabulary exercises. It's important to remember the meanings of the words that we talked about today. If you don't remember the words that we studied, you can watch this video again, or you can use the flashcards in the digital book. Have fun and good luck!